name is Alec. I'm an AI training specialist with Personal AI, and I'm going to show you how to use our Gmail memory integration feature. So go ahead and navigate to the memory stack. Under there, you'll see the integrations page, which will take you here. Once you're here, sign into the Gmail memory integration spot right there. And then once you're signed in, you can go back to your Gmail. Here I have a label called PAI training data. So I'll take an example email from my inbox and add it to this label here. So now the email is located in this label. I'll go back to my web app, click on the three dots next to the Gmail, click Manage. And here I can actually select the label I want the emails being downloaded to my memory from. So here I'm going to click on my PAI training data label, which will pop up in the section there. And then I can select the persona that I want it to be in. And I'll select the fitness and nutrition one and click Save. Once this has been saved, I can navigate back to the memory stack. And I can see my email here. And when I go to the documents, I can see that the email was added directly to the persona through my documents page. And I can manipulate this however I want through here and change the persona however I want. But this option is very applicable for people who are organizing their emails by label and want to directly download their emails coming in to memory without having their AI respond to the email directly.